हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू शॉर्टहैंड विद विनय। ये डिक्टेशन 110 वर्ड्स पर मिनट पे होगी और इस डिक्टेशन का पैसेज प्लस जो टफेस्ट आउटलाइन है दोनों के लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दिए गए हैं। आप वहाँ से चेक कर सकते हैं। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। 3, 2, 1 स्टार्ट। The present petition has been filed seeking a direction to the respondent number 2 for payment of an amount which is stated to be due and admitted full stop. Pleadings in the petition indicate that in pursuance of certain advertisement inviting tenders for running community kitchen at Bajal Bhavan, Meerut and Olivia Hotel, Meerut, the petitioner company submitted its offer full stop. It was duly accepted and in pursuance thereof, it provided the service of community kitchen at above two places during COVID period full stop. By letter dated 4/6/2020, respondent number 4 directed the petitioner to close the community kitchen with effect from 6/6/2020 full stop. A three-member committee had duly verified the quality and quantity of food packets supplied the petitioner in pursuance of the contract full stop. The petitioner has been paid certain sum under the contract, but the entire amount has not been paid on account of paucity of funds full stop para. The petitioner has placed on record an order dated 5/3/2021 issued by ADM Finance and Revenue, Meerut, in which it is recorded that on basis of recommendation of the committee and the approval granted by the district magistrate, Meerut on 4/3/2021, the amount of rupees 3,68,81,217 received from the government shall be disbursed amongst various service providers on pro rata basis full stop. The order itself records that the remaining amount would be paid after release of more funds from the government full stop. A chart which is part of the said order reveals that in respect of the petitioner, the remaining sum is rupees 37,32,072 full stop. Since, the amount has not been paid to the petitioner despite repeated reminders, the instant petition has been filed for a mandamus to respondent number 2 to pay the remaining amount forthwith full stop para. On 15/12/2021, the matter was again adjourned to enable the competent authority to examine the petitioner's grievance and take necessary action full stop. Learned Standing Council is in receipt of instructions from the state respondents in which the same stand has been taken, that is, as soon as the funds are received from the state government, payment shall be made full stop. They question whether a writ petition under Article 226 of the Constitution of India is maintainable to enforce a contractual obligation against the state or its instrumentalities, by a aggrieved party, is no longer res integra full stop. The law with regard to maintainability of a writ petition in contractual matters is fairly well settled full stop. It has been consistently held that there is no absolute bar to the maintainability of a writ petition in such matters full stop. The discretionary jurisdiction under Article 226 of the Constitution of India may, however, be refused in case of money claims arising out of purely contractual obligations where there are serious disputed questions of fact with regard to the claims sought to be raised full stop para. The legal position with regard to maintainability of a writ petition in contractual matters where monetary claims are sought to be raised has been considered in extenso in a recent decision of this court in Messrs Biotech Systems versus State of UP and others, and it was held that in a case where the contract entered into between the state and the person aggrieved is of a non-statutory character, and the relationship is governed purely in terms of a contract between the parties, in such situations, the contractual obligations are matters of private law and a writ would not lie to enforce a civil liability arising purely out of a contract, and the proper remedy in such cases would be to file a civil suit for claiming damages, injunctions, or specific performance or such appropriate reliefs in a civil court, full stop.